Every day you wake up is another chance to rewrite the story you've been telling yourself for years. Most people wait for the perfect moment, not realizing that action creates the opportunity, not the other way around. Fear is not a wall blocking your path. It is a signal showing exactly where your growth begins today.
You cannot control everything, but you can always control your effort, your attitude, and your relentless pursuit of excellence.
Every setback you experience is secretly preparing you for a future you can't yet imagine or fully comprehend. You must understand that consistency beats intensity, because small daily habits accumulate into life-changing transformations over time. Comparison steals joy and clarity, so focus only on your path and the measurable progress you achieve every single day. The mind is a powerful tool, and the thoughts you nurture will determine the reality you live in tomorrow. Courage is not the absence of fear, but taking action anyway while your mind screams that it's impossible. Visualize your goals clearly every morning, because the brain can guide your actions toward achieving what you imagine daily.
Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality, and every small effort builds momentum for bigger achievements later.
You will face criticism, but remember, the loudest opinions rarely reflect your true potential or the path you must take. Success rarely comes from talent alone, but from relentless persistence, clear vision, and unwavering belief in your purpose today. Procrastination is a thief of time and happiness, and every minute you delay is a lost opportunity for growth. Learn to embrace discomfort, because the strongest muscles of character grow only through challenge and consistent daily effort. Your environment shapes your mindset, so surround yourself with positivity, driven people, and inspiration that motivates action every day. Gratitude rewires your brain to notice abundance instead of scarcity, giving energy to achieve goals you once thought impossible. Failure is not defeat, it is a lesson disguised as pain, teaching wisdom you cannot learn from instant success alone. The secret to motivation is not waiting for inspiration, but creating daily routines that push you closer to your dreams. Every great achievement begins with a single decision to try, no matter how impossible the odds or discouraging the path seems. You are capable of more than you think, and every challenge you face is proof of your untapped strength today. Doubt will always appear, but remember, courage is acting even when your mind questions every possibility of success imaginable. Time is your most valuable asset, and how you invest each hour will determine the life you eventually create for yourself.
Visualize success vividly each day, because the subconscious mind works tirelessly to align your reality with the images you hold.
You must forgive yourself for past mistakes, as holding on to regret only slows down your progress and inner growth today. Inspiration alone will not create results, but combining it with action, focus, and resilience guarantees progress over time naturally. You cannot control the outside world, but mastering your inner world allows you to remain calm and focused in chaos. Growth requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to feel uncomfortable, because comfort zones never create breakthroughs worth pursuing fully. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is permanent, forming the backbone for every consistent action that leads to long-term success.
Remember, your story is yours to write, and every conscious choice you make today shapes the legacy you leave tomorrow.
Focus on small wins each day, because tiny consistent victories compound into monumental results over time and effort invested. Avoid excuses, because each excuse steals energy from your potential and delays the growth you deserve in your life today. Patience is the silent weapon of champions, allowing the seeds of today's effort to bloom into tomorrow's extraordinary achievements naturally. Your environment either nurtures growth or stifles it, so carefully choose surroundings that inspire, energize, and push you forward daily. Every challenge is a test of patience and resilience, revealing the strength you already possess but have yet to fully discover. Motivation comes and goes, but routines build momentum, turning fleeting desire into unstoppable progress that lasts longer than temporary inspiration.
Focus on what you can control today, because worrying about the uncontrollable only drains energy and delays your success significantly.
Fear is temporary, but regret lasts forever, so take action boldly even if uncertainty challenges your confidence and comfort zone.
Your mind creates your reality, so train it daily to focus on solutions, possibilities, and growth instead of doubts or limitations around you.
Success is not an event, but a habit, formed by consistent effort and small, intentional choices repeated daily without fail.
Life rewards persistence, and every time you refuse to quit, you move closer to your potential than you were yesterday ever before. Stop seeking approval from others, because validation from within is far stronger, lasting longer, and keeps you focused on your goals. Change begins when you step outside the familiar, embracing discomfort as a tool to expand your capabilities and reach new heights today. Set clear goals every morning, because a mind without direction wanders aimlessly, while clarity fuels motivation and unstoppable momentum in life. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your company wisely every day. Because small achievements accumulate into major milestones that fuel your motivation and long-term success consistently. Your energy is precious, so invest it in actions that move you forward, not in complaining, overthinking, or unproductive habits daily. Keep learning constantly, because knowledge and skill compound over time, giving you leverage that cannot be replaced by luck alone ever. Don't wait for inspiration to strike, because disciplined action creates momentum and confidence that naturally fuels motivation and opportunity repeatedly.
Remember, your mind believes what you tell it consistently, so speak positively, encourage yourself, and act with faith every single day.
Your habits define your future, so build small, positive routines consistently that compound into massive results over time. Avoid comparing your journey to others, because true success comes from focusing on your growth and personal progress daily. Self-discipline is the key to freedom, because controlled effort over time produces independence, confidence, and long-term results you deserve. Visualize your ideal life vividly every morning, because the brain aligns your actions with the images you reinforce consistently. Action beats intention, because planning without its execution is wasted potential that will never produce the success you desire and deserve. Surround yourself with people who elevate you, because your environment shapes your beliefs, actions, and ultimately the results you achieve. Courage is not the absence of fear, but moving forward despite uncertainty and doubt that tries to hold you back constantly. Motivation comes and goes, but daily action builds unstoppable momentum that ensures you consistently progress toward your biggest goals and dreams. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because taking imperfect action now produces results faster than waiting for ideal circumstances endlessly. Focus on progress instead of perfection, because continuous improvement compounds over time and builds momentum for achieving massive long-term results. Failure is temporary, but the lessons it teaches are permanent, shaping your future and preparing you for unprecedented success ahead. Your future depends on the actions you take today, so stop procrastinating and start creating results that matter most for yourself. Every step you take builds momentum, so focus on moving forward consistently rather than obsessing over immediate perfection or quick outcomes. Small daily habits shape your destiny, and the compound effect of tiny actions over time leads to extraordinary results eventually. Don't let fear stop you from trying, because courage grows every time you act despite doubt and uncertainty in your path.
Your mind is your most powerful tool, so feed it positive thoughts, constructive ideas, and visions of success regularly every day.
Remember, consistency beats intensity, because small, steady effort over time will always outperform sporadic bursts of temporary motivation quickly.
Subscribe for more simple and powerful videos, and join 70,000 plus others growing stronger, focused, and motivated every single day.